Well, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to do an unboxing. I bought a new drone in February, and I have actually been waiting for it for around over almost 3 months, very close to 3 months, and today it actually did arrive. So if you can see my screen here, you might know what it is, but well, here it is. It's the Xiaomi Mi drone. It's a competitor for the DJI Phantom 3, not the Phantom 4 competitor. And it has several nifty features like 4K video recording and such like that. So let's open this box up and see what's inside this box. I actually always thought the Xiaomi Mi drone was much bigger than it was. So I was kinda surprised the box was this small. I was kinda expecting bigger. So we're opening up the lid, and here we have the goodie. The Xiaomi 4K drone. It has golden air vents on the arms. Very nice package. Like this. So you can do it like this with the legs. And then it gets big. It comes with a battery inside. But let's move into the box. Here we have the camera, the gimbal. You just do like this. There is a little hatch stuff thing here. And then you do like this. Press it inside here. And press it inside. And now it seems to be stuck. So, there you have it. The camera is on board. We have the nifty controller here. Feels really good in your hands. The build quality is really nice on everything I have felt on so far. Really good. And this is the return mode. And it has a built-in battery. I don't know how big it is. And if you do like this, you can get a phone in there. I should see if I can. If my Sony Ericsson fits. Yeah, it fits just nice, my Sony Ericsson. So everything feels top notch. We have a box here. And here we have the props. You're getting double sets of props. Double sets for 2 goldy and 2 silvery props. So you're getting spare. That's good. And here is, I think, the manual papers, stuff like that, and I guess it's in Chinese. I have seen some other people getting it, so there is no manual for a person like me, but I think there should be a manual online, so there should be no problems to get information about the quad itself. So what's in here? In the fourth box, here we have the charger. And you see there's a little lid, and you will put the lid. Is possible to, I think, to get on both sides of the quad, so you don't have to care about which side you're charging the battery on. So there's the battery. Here we have the nifty Wi-Fi dongle. And here are some cables. I think there is, I don't know what it is. If it's for... Yeah, it's a micro USB cable. And here we have a much bigger bag, and I think this is the contact for the charger. And there I have one problem: this do not work in Sweden. This one is empty, and this one also is empty, so nothing more in that box. Now we have this box, and there it also was empty, so lots of space, nothing used. So let's check one more time what comes inside the box. It's a very good bag. The quad comes in the box. The quad itself, as you can see, the gimbal, and you just put an SD card here in the back. The battery comes in the box. It's already inserted in the quad itself. The charger, one set of props, the second set of props, a Wi-Fi dongle, a cable for the charger but do not work in Europe or I think the States, a manual, a Chinese manual I should say, and then we have this controller. So there you have it. You're getting all this inside the box, and I bought it for 3,800 SEK, and that's I think around 300 US dollars, something close thereby. You have to check it out online. So there you have it. See you later. Bye.